You know, what I did all of my face.
Ain't in your face.
It is.
No, it ain't. Like, why is everything a question mark? You got nothing good.
I'm not okay. My car ain't okay. Don't buy me okay.
You have mine. How about me another?
What's your car? This car is old. He ain't old. It's a 06. 11.
I'll get you another car, baby.
When?
As soon as possible.
Alright, y'all. I just want to get on here because I record everything else and probably everybody else's business. So I just want to tell y'all about this juicy seafood experience that I had on this spring break weekend. And I got it sitting right here in front of me, and I really don't even want to eat it. But I spent like, how many damn food was? I got the weekend special. So it was $35, $39. $39 for some food that I didn't even eat. Ooh, bay lips swole. Anyway, y'all, I lost my baby, my car. I only had it, like, how long I had that car, babe? 5 months. I had it last year, didn't it?
Not yet.
I don't know, y'all, but it was real, real bad. I don't even remember what happened. I just remember smoke started coming through the vent. My head was spinning, and I remember baby just saying, "Damn, did they hit us?" And I just blanked out from there. The ambulance police came, and I really don't know. I just hope this lady had insurance on her car, because I need my car fixed. Yeah, I had insurance on my car, but I don't need my insurance rates to be going up and stuff. So she gonna have to pay for my car. You feel me? But anyway, y'all, yesterday I did not get to eat the juicy seafood because I ended up going to the hospital to make sure I ain't have no brain concussion, because like my whole head went through the, I ain't gonna say went through the windshield, but it like the dent. My forehead print is in the window, okay? My sunflowers came off all that. Oh, these the gloves. These ain't gloves? Oh yeah, it's ain't gloves. Anyway, y'all, I'm finna get ready to eat my juicy seafood now. It is another day, and I know I ain't got no concussion. And I had more than this, but when I went to the hospital, paracetamol went in my bag, so I don't got no crab legs on there, y'all. I don't even really lobster and shrimp and corn. Oh my God, that's why you don't eat in the bed. No, I dropped some juice, but I got the bag now. I ain't that bad. Let's put a little bit. Hold on, y'all. I hate when I have dysfunctions in my video. Okay. My body so-so, I ain't even gonna lie. My body was so-so. I don't even know what I want to start with for real. And I don't even know if I want to tell y'all about my hospital experience that I had when I did end up going to the emergency room, because we was in Prattville, and I live in Montgomery, so I ain't want to go to Prattville Hospital. I wanted to go home because I had my kids at the house, and I wanted to go to a closer hospital. But anyway, y'all, when we got to the darn hospital, got in quick, I went to the back quick, whatever. Had on double mask, had my alcohol spray bottle, because you know, going to the hospital will get you coronavirus. And yeah. We don't want that. But anyway, We got in there. I really felt okay besides my head hurting and everything. But I got in the hospital. They checked me in and everything. They did CAT scan and x-ray. I ain't never ate no lobster tail. I don't even know how the hell I'm supposed to eat this. But anyway, they checked me in and everything. And the first thing they did was come get me for a CAT scan. So she rolled my whole bed around to the CAT scan place. Well, to the CAT scan part. Okay, it's cool. Everything cool till I get in the part. You know, if you ever had a CAT scan, you know you gotta lay flat on your back and the little thing go around and around and around, and they tell you to take a deep breath and all that shit. Yeah. So I'm just laying there, and they said take a deep breath, and I got to looking upwards for the thing just, and I see damn blood, dry blood. I was so ready to get the hell up out of there. It was just disgusting. Y'all, if y'all work in the hospital, please clean up, because you can say they tried to wipe it a little bit, but it was just nasty. It was just nasty. And then my shoulder, this shoulder right here, and my neck and stuff started hurting. So they had to end up doing an x-ray. But your girl is good. Besides sore, I'm good. I wanted baby checking into the hospital, but he don't do hospitals. So he got a little busted lip in the airbag. Tore his arm up. Baby, you want some of this? This lobster tail good as hell. Hell yeah. It's like chicken and shrimp together. I can't eat it that night. I ain't even want no damn juicy seafood. But the lady did admit it was her fault. So I guess I'm gonna be able to get me another. I know I'm gonna be able to get me another car because I had insurance too. But it's in my car. No, I wasn't driving. I wouldn't.
I understand I've been driving under motherfucking influence, but I understand that I wasn't also driving. I wasn't driving.
Driving. Meek was driving. If y'all don't know who Meek is, go back through some of my videos and y'all will see who he is. He be in and out of the videos. He ain't really on the YouTube stuff like I am. But he ain't got no choice but to be up in there. Oh Lord, all it was just a hot mess. I know I can get another car and can't get another me, but it's just my car. I'm just saying, my car. But the police said it was like the third accident right there in the same spot that day. So maybe it's the city fault. Maybe y'all need to brighten the stop sign up so folks can see it. The airbags came out, everything. Oh my God, my car. I'm probably gonna insert a little video for y'all to see why I keep saying my car. It was bad. Both of the airbags came out, and it was just bad. I know I got 3 other cars, but my car. I know y'all, I'm doing too much. It's just I ain't never had no. This my first BMW, and it's like my 3rd accident that I ever been in life ever. And my car, my car. And I didn't say it was totaled out yet, but we gonna see tomorrow what they say. The whole reason I even wanted to go to Juicy Seafood, because I took Paris on her birthday, and The one in Montgomery, it was just so nasty. It's like they ain't clean their pots or something. And the food just tastes like roast. Maybe they need to get some new pots or something. But I don't know what it is. But it was just nasty. But the one in Problem, even though I'm just not tasting it, y'all still good the next day. It probably was real good. It probably wasn't even this good yesterday. You know, they always say food better than this day. Anyway, y'all, I want y'all to comment down below. I don't even know how to ask this question, but I'm finna ask them, are they superstitious? For real. I don't like being superstitious, but yesterday before I even went to Juicy Seafood, a black cat, an all black cat, like crossed our path and crossed my way, and I was finna tell him to turn around or whatever, cause I didn't want to cross the black cat, but we had all the kids in the car and they was already tripping and stuff, and I was like, I don't want to be too extra today, so I ain't tell him to turn around to not cross the cat. And I don't want to say that's why this happened, but it's my first time crossing the black cat. Oh yeah, do y'all believe in what?
Do you believe it was superstitious?
Yeah, do y'all believe it was superstitious that I had my accident because I didn't turn around and not cross the cat? Or do y'all think stuff happened? Or do y'all think God just trying to make room for me a new little vehicle? And that'd be cool. For real, I already been talking about I want a Benz all day in my own car. Yeah, it gotta be all black though. I don't know about the corn. It like it got hella season salt on it. You wouldn't be able to eat them. I had crab legs too, y'all. But like I said, when I was in the hospital, he might have repaired went in my bed. Man. Oh, I need some water, babe. Look. Now this water down. Oh, y'all, this fruit punch in my cup. Well, you just gave me it in my cup. But it water down. You alright, babe? Well, you laughing at me because I'm still eating. I might need some water, but I'm still eating it. Y'all. The good thing about it is the lady had insurance. I hope it wasn't fake. I hope it wasn't fake. Oh, baby. I ain't even get to take no pictures of my car yet. But that hospital, it was just, I couldn't get comfortable. He was talking about doing the IV and all that. I don't want y'all to do nothing that's gonna got to do with my blood. Or nothing that's gonna make y'all give me coronavirus. So I refuse. I ain't gonna say I refused all that, but it wasn't necessary for no CAT scan. And then plus we was already in we probably was in there about 3 hours. Yeah. Well, while we were there, somebody had got shot. And they car in the front. I don't know who it was, but I hope they alright. I asked for this and I didn't even put it on. I put this on, y'all. But I'm finna go take a bath anyway, because I can't be smelling like. I'm already eating seafood in my bed. I can't be smelling like lobster tails. I'm finna get us some Tookie Mary. She can ask for this anyway. It's good, but I don't want it like that. Look. Man, the one in front was jumping. I can't lie. But yeah, I ain't gonna make no short video long. So, I'm gonna go ahead and end it. Get done with this stunk ass seafood. And go help me with shower. What today is? Sunday, March 28th. 1:54 p.m. And I'm okay. I'm just sore as hell. But I got some muscle relaxers. I need to pick up or drop. I drop off. I ain't even dropped them off yet. But they gave me one at the hospital. And it still like it's a little bit. But I have been at the house today. I went to get children something to eat because I can't cook. So I got a little half a Big Mac too, y'all. Is it cold? Cold as hell. But alright, y'all, like I said, I ain't gonna make no short video long. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. But y'all know I love getting on here talking to y'all. I don't be having nothing else to do. But just let y'all know, I'm gonna be sugar for a long time. A long time. I really don't even wanna. Well, I ain't gonna say I don't wanna ride in no car. I don't wanna ride in the passenger seat no more. Gotta be driving, baby. But alright, y'all. Please don't forget, before y'all get off my channel, please like, comment, and subscribe.
I'm gonna tell you just like this. I'm gonna tell you just like this. I'm drunk. Yeah, I've been drinking, but I wasn't driving. The motherfucking officer, he saw a motherfucker jump in my lap, and I told her to get off, and she got off, and he stopped me. Sir? I'm guiding the car. Hey, I don't want to hear that shit. Hey, I don't even want to hear it. Hey, sir, whatever you have to do, you do drinking, but I wasn't motherfucking driving.
Sir,
the motherfucker say what he want to motherfucking say.
Are you going to do the physical
Hey, you see what I say? You see, hey, you come up here and see what, hey.
Mr. Turner.
Yeah.
Let's do the physical performance test, please.
What physical performance test?
Put both feet together.
All right.
Toes together, sir. Both toes. Let's go. Both toes. Arms at your sides, head tilted back, and eyes closed. I'll tell you when. Close your eyes, please. Keep them closed. Open your eyes, sir, and relax. Open your eyes, both of them, and please watch me for the next test. That's enough. That's finished. Next is a finger-to-nose test.
All right.
You stand with both your feet together, your arms shoulder height, and sir, watch me. All Index fingers only are extended. Tilt your head back and close your eyes. When I ask you to, are you watching me?
I'm watching you.
When I ask you to, you bring the left arm out in front of you, the tip of your finger, touch the tip of your nose, and automatically extend it back out shoulder height. Same as with the right arm. Do you understand that, sir?
Yeah.
Would you put your feet together, please?
Yeah.
Arm shoulder height. Extend your index fingers only. No, sir. Tilt your head back and close your eyes.
You close your eyes?
Sir, I'm not doing the test.
But you close your motherfucking eyes.
Sir.
Huh?
Tilt your head back and close your eyes.
If you can't close your eyes, why I got to close my motherfucking eyes?
Because you are the one that's taking the test.
Huh?
Tilt your head back and close your eyes.
Did you tilt your head back and close your eyes?
Tilt your head back and close your eyes.
Did you drunk?
Sir, are you refusing this test?
No. Yeah, I'm refusing the motherfucking test.
All right, he refuses the testing. Sir, don't yell. Come back here, sir.
I'm telling the motherfucker I wasn't driving. I know I wasn't driving.
Fine. That concludes the physical portion of the video. The time is 5:35. Maybe have the arresting deputy, please.
I told him I might be motherfucking drunk. I know I wasn't motherfucking driving.
Mr. Turner.
Go on and put the handcuffs on me, man. Hey, fuck the shit. I don't want no goddamn shit. Hey, fuck the dumb shit.
Right.
Put the handcuffs on me,
You've
man.
been arrested for driving while intoxicated, driving while under the influence of alcoholic beverages, model glue.
I refuse to answer any question on the grounds that they may incriminate me.
For urine test or both.
I refuse to answer any questions under the grounds that they may incriminate me.
Suspension of your privilege to operate a motor
I
vehicle.
refuse to answer any questions under the grounds that they may incriminate
Period
me.
of 1 year if your driving privilege has been previously suspended as a result of a refusal to submit to such test. Your refusal to submit to a chemical urine test is admissible into evidence against you in any criminal proceeding. You understand what I read to you?
Hell no, but I refuse to answer any questions under the grounds that they may incriminate me.
You want me to explain this to you?
No, hell no. You explain them to my motherfucking lawyer.
You realize
You
your driving
explain them to
privileges
my lawyer.
will be suspended, right? You realize that, right? If you
What?
refuse to take the breath
Hey, man, my license is already suspended. I'm already under
Are you
suspension.
going to take a breath test?
What?
You going to take a breath test?
What motherfucking breath test?